How to turn on or turn off writing assist on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in here, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. Next, go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Now from here, go down and tap on Writing Assist. Then tap on the toggle button to switch it off, or tap it to turn it on. With Writing Assist, you can get help with grammar and spelling, change writing style, create summaries, and so on. Okay, so after that, we can go back to the home screen. If you open up your keyboard, you can see to use Writing Assist, tap on this AI icon, and this will allow you to check spelling and grammar, writing style, and summarize the text. So let's try with writing style. If I tap on that, you can see here the phone will go through and suggest some other alternative. So mainly it will offer you a different version such as professional version, casual, social. Social will be compacted into a small paragraph, and polite. And here it uses emojified as well. And that's it. Other options with Writing Assist is the writing style, summarize, and spelling and grammar. You can use bullet point and table. So we can select tables and it will structure your text into a table format. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.